Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we have some big news in the drone world. After months of speculation and leaks, DJI has finally confirmed the release date of the highly anticipated Mavic 4 Pro. And let me tell you, this drone is an absolute game changer. If you're a filmmaker, content creator, or drone enthusiast, you need to hear about this. So stick around because we're diving deep into its next-level features, powerful upgrades, and whether it's worth your money. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for the latest updates in the world of drones and tech. Release date and design upgrades. So, let's get straight to it. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is set to launch this spring, with an expected release date of April 20th. That's right, we are just a few weeks away from getting our hands on this beast. But what exactly makes it different from the Mavic 3? Well, let's talk about the design first. The Mavic 4 Pro sports a brand new aerodynamic propeller design that enhances airflow and minimizes noise. DJI has also added a quick release disc on top of the propellers, preventing dust and rain from interfering with the motors. A small but essential change. If you look closely, you'll also notice new rubber bumpers on all four arms and a tiny rubber foot in the center. This helps with stability when landing, ensuring smooth takeoffs and touchdowns, even on uneven surfaces. And let's not forget the new LiDAR sensor on the right arm. This is a game changer for nighttime flying and low-light conditions, ensuring precise measurements and next-level obstacle detection. Camera and image quality. Now let's talk about the real star of the show, the camera system. And trust me, this is where the Mavic 4 Pro truly shines. The drone features an all-new triple camera system, including a 4/3 CMOS primary sensor with electronic ND filters, giving you incredible control over exposure. A 50mm equivalent medium telephoto lens, perfect for cinematic compression. A 166mm equivalent telephoto lens, allowing for stunning zoomed-in shots without losing detail. This camera setup blows the Mavic 3 out of the water, making it an absolute dream for professional filmmakers and aerial cinematographers. If you're looking to create cinematic quality footage, this is the drone to beat in 2024. Breaking down the triple camera system. Primary 4x3. CMOS. Sensor. The 4x3 CMOS sensor on the Mavic 4 Pro is the largest sensor ever used in a Mavic drone. Thanks to its larger size, this sensor delivers superior low-light performance, enhanced dynamic range, and ultra-sharp 5.7K video at 60 frames per second. One of the most significant upgrades to this sensor is the electronic ND filter system. Previously, adjusting exposure on drones required physical ND filters, which had to be manually swapped out, making quick adjustments nearly impossible. However, with the new electronic ND filters, DJI now allows users to smoothly adjust exposure in real time through software, similar to professional cinema cameras. This feature not only provides better control over light conditions, but also makes aerial videography much more flexible, especially in changing lighting environments. With an extended ISO range and a larger sensor, the Mavic 4 Pro excels in nighttime or low-light shooting, capturing clearer images with less noise and better detail. If you're looking for a drone capable of recording breathtaking sunset shots, cityscapes at night, or even starry skies, then the 4x3 CMOS sensor on the Mavic 4 Pro is the ideal choice. 50mm medium telephoto lens. The 50mm lens is a game-changing addition to the Mavic 4 Pro's camera system. This focal length is widely used in photography and filmmaking because it creates a natural compression effect and a professional depth of field, making aerial shots look closer and more cinematic without digital cropping. Unlike previous drones that relied on wide-angle sensors or digital zoom, the 50mm lens on the Mavic 4 Pro captures medium-range subjects without sacrificing image quality, ensuring crisp, high-resolution footage. This feature is particularly useful for aerial portraits. This creates a beautiful background blur effect without post-processing. Landscape shots enhances depth perception, making scenery look more immersive. Product cinematography, perfect for capturing buildings, vehicles, or objects without distortion from wide-angle lenses. With the addition of a dedicated 50mm lens, the Mavic 4 Pro opens up new creative possibilities, allowing you to achieve cinematic shots that were previously only possible with ground-based cameras. 166mm telephoto lens. One of the biggest drawbacks of previous drones was that digital zoom often degraded image quality, causing footage to appear pixelated or lose detail when shooting from afar. However, with the 166mm telephoto lens on the Mavic 4 Pro, DJI has completely solved this issue. This lens allows for distant shots without sacrificing sharpness, making it perfect for capturing stunning visuals from a safe distance. Key use cases include wildlife photography, film animals without disturbing them, preserving their natural behavior, architectural videography, capture the fine details of buildings and structures from a distance, expansive landscapes, record vast sceneries without excessive drone movement. A breakthrough feature of this lens is its support for 10-bit D-Log recording, a feature previously reserved for high-end drones and professional cinema cameras. This enables richer color data, superior dynamic range, and greater flexibility in post-production, allowing professional filmmakers to achieve Hollywood-level color grading and cinematic results. If you are a filmmaker or content creator looking for the best aerial footage quality with maximum post-production control, the 166mm telephoto lens on the Mavic 4 Pro is a game-changer. Flight performance and battery life. Now, let's talk about flight performance. DJI has made some massive improvements in this area. 50-minute flight time. This is huge. Without the intelligent flight battery, the Mavic 4 Pro can stay in the air for almost an hour. This is the longest flight time we've seen in a consumer-grade drone. Improved obstacle avoidance. Thanks to the LiDAR sensor and advanced AI-driven tracking, flying through tight spaces and complex environments is smoother than ever. Faster top speed and wind resistance. The aerodynamic improvements allow the Mavic 4 Pro to cut through strong winds and maintain stability at higher speeds. So, is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro worth the hype and price tag? Well, here's my take. If you're a professional filmmaker, the triple camera setup alone makes this an absolute must-have. If you're a content creator, the cinematic flight modes, upgraded battery life, and smart features make this the best drone for YouTube and high-quality social media content. It might be overkill if you're a hobbyist. The Mavic Air 3 or Mini 4 Pro might be better for you. Price tag? Reports suggest it will be around $2,800. It's an investment, but I'd say it's worth every penny for what it offers. Alright guys, what do you think about the DJI Mavic 4 Pro? Are you excited? Do you think it's worth the price? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button and subscribe for more epic drone content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.